those are great things to be known for. So I appreciate that.
Absolutely.
Consistency is where it's at. The eighth wonder of the world is the compound effect of doing those things, the basic things consistently. So that's what that's my religion. Yeah. So Contractor Dynamics, we are a marketing training company for the construction industry. So basically, most people are used to agencies that build websites and run ads and do SEO and do all those things. We are a little bit different, where we will train your company on how to build out your own internal marketing machine, that marketing savvy, running your content, running ads, building out like a lead handling and follow up and nurture system, just building out that whole marketing ecosystem so you have that control in-house. And so that's what we're all about.
Got it. And do you find your customers, the owners, are the ones learning the marketing, or do they have an internal marketing manager doing it? Who's doing it typically?
Right now, about 2/3 of our clients that we're working with every week are the marketing manager inside a roofing company. About a third are the actual owners. And those owners are generally like the, startup companies that it's just, you're wearing all those hats at the beginning. Or in some cases, it's more of a marketing minded owner that like really loves the marketing, and they're delegating other things so that they can focus on the marketing. So, but in most cases, it really is a benefit to any company to have someone besides the owner in the company that's wearing that marketing hat, for at least 10 hours a week, ideally full time as you grow. Just because the owner has so many different things going on, and marketing often gets dropped to the bottom of that pile with sales and collecting money and production and, fulfillment, whatever it is. So having someone besides the owner is a common denominator that we've seen that works really well.
Got it. Okay.